I see a wall cloud. I need to. You guys want to go? Is Jeff live right now? There is Jeff. So there's some major lowering right now.
Oh yeah.
Yes. You got it?
I got it, but I'm shaking.
Zoom in.
I'm zoomed, but I'm shaking. Does this mean I get a candy bar?
It comes down.
Oh, there it goes.
Dad!
Oh, almost down.
Oh, it's coming towards us.
That's down.
Tornado on the ground.
Tornado.
There we go.
Tornado.
Scooter, keep trying to call him. We gotta get him.
Jeff.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Tornado on the ground.
That's sexy.
Very nice. Scooter, we'll
Somehow I don't think we need to call the NWS on this one.
I don't think so.
Oh, wow.
We did it.
Tornado.
Hey, NWS told me today that tornadoes weren't going to happen here.
There is probably one cell tower.
Yeah, if you went north, you'd be.
Beautiful.
Well, everything else is gravy from here.
Sounds
Is it
like
lifting?
4th of July
It's
celebration.
us, doesn't it? Whoa! Look at that. Whoa!
Ooh. Ah.
See, this for the Bahamas.
Morning.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're losing contrast here. The tornado's getting rain wrapped.
As they drive into the vortex.
You don't want to go that way, dude.
We have a chaser convergence here near Grange, Wyoming. Multiple vortex tornado on the ground.
Oh, wait.
Everybody's here.
You can see it now, Scooter. You see it?
See it? Okay, Jeff, here's a complete panorama for you. Beaver's tail off to the north. Updraft, I'll iris down so you can see the striations in the cloud.
That's still there.
Iris down some more, Jeff. There's the flanking line off to the south. Go up. Here's the anvil stretching all the way overhead, back shearing over.
It's still there. With another cell service is what we need. Everybody's got fucking Verizon. Oh, it's
Oh, look at that. It's roping out.
It's roping out.
Roping out.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at that rope out, Jeff. Because I'm going to show him this when I get back. Jeff still wanted to come today. This is going to make up for it. This will more than make up for it. The outflow is it's getting pushed out now. Yeah, it's on the ground, but it's on its final leg now.
Yeah, I think after this we can get closer.
Look at that tail on it. See it?
Yeah.
28 minutes?
Almost gone.
What time?
Just a little bit left.
Before 29?
It's gone.
Yeah.